everybody. Welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure.
Hello guys.
So we are in the Fresno area, Fresno, California.
Yeah.
And I would say they definitely have some flooding.
Yeah. Look at that guy. That's there. That's the business. Yeah, that's the business. And look at the trailer. It's floating in the water.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how deep it got.
Wow. Okay. Can't believe.
Yeah, let me see here where we are exactly.
You see the trailer, honey?
Yes.
It's floating?
Yeah, I see it. Merced. M-E-R-C-E-D, Merced, California is where we're at right now. We've been seeing flooding up through here, but this is the worst we've seen so far.
Oh, until there, honey.
Yeah. Seems like the further north we get, the worse it's getting.
Wow. Ooh, it's like a river already.
That one trailer is going to flip over.
Yep.
I think it must have heavy stuff on one side. Oh. Yeah, can't really see down here, but I can see all these storage sheds, brand new storage sheds. They're all flooded.
Over here. Yeah. The small.
So
what
if anyone lives around here and you need a shed, I'd say.
A shade, yes.
I'd say there'd be a flood sale here, probably in about a week or two. When the water goes down, you can get one cheap.
Look, it's floating also.
Yeah, they floated over towards each other. Just saw a fire truck on that flooded street. If you watch to the right between the buildings, maybe you'll see him coming out down there. It was up to, when the truck sat pretty high in the air, it was up to like the bottom of his doors on the fire truck.
I'm pretty sure that the trailer there, honey, I think that's there's inside of that has load already.
I'm thinking maybe they're
empty. Oh gosh, look at that guy. Here. The garage, look at the garage, the water. It's
all around here, you'll definitely be able to get sheds fairly cheap.
Wow.
Look at that, even their plywood's in the water. That's expensive. That's expensive damage there.
I love that shed there. That one there, you see it? Under that.
Oh, on the other side, oh yeah.
Even that way, there's a lot of water.
I don't know what our backup is. I think people are looking at flood.
Yeah, it's been a while. We are here. We are
40 something minutes now.
Yeah.
I was able to get my half-hour break in while we were in this.
Oh god.
Almost out. They want more.
This one here. Look at the river already. Oh gosh. Oh no. Wait, I saw you guys the car. You can see only the roof. You see the car, honey? They're in the parking lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna zoom.
Oh, I see it.
That one. That's the car. That one is a car. Oh. So it's not only one car. It's two cars there.
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's flooded.
That had to happen pretty quick
for
people not to get their cars out.
Yeah, I guess they are inside the building working.
Probably.
And they don't know that the rain is, They don't have time to get their car. Oh gosh. I can't believe how bad the rain here. Oh, there's a checkpoint. Oh yeah.
So I guess that's what that backup was. If that water, it must be coming up as soon as it gets on the road, they're going to shut it down.
Oh, I hope it's not yet. Because we're coming back here, right?
I think we're going to TA and stopping. I think I'm tired of this.
Wow. Ooh. It's like they got the thunderstorm, or what do they call it? Like a hurricane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because first time to see like that here, flooded. Mostly when we coming here, it's nothing, right?
Right.
It's dry, you know, beautiful.
I don't know what to do. There's TA up here. We don't have to stop at a TA for the
Well,
night.
we're gonna deliver this, right?
Yeah, there's pilots and stuff up the other way. Maybe we can just duck into one of those.
Yeah. Alright, I think we're good. We have a 100, I don't know, 119?
Yeah,
119 guy.
the delivery.
Yeah, the delivery.
Yeah, for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care, guys. Bye.